Hi guys, today we are gonna teach you how to make the thing that gives you air. I don't know what it's called, but it gives you air. So let's get into it. First, add a dispenser. Then add 2 trapdoors like this. And add any block. Wait, first you need a redstone torch, a lever, a block of choice, an item frame, redstone repeater, redstone dispenser, iron door, iron trapdoor, and as many flint steel as you want. So first, add a dispenser with 2 iron trapdoors with a block of choice. Then put the item frames in this. Then do like this with the iron doors till you make it like this. Then let's get started with the redstone. Add a lever wherever you want. I'll add it here. Then add 2 blocks like this and redstone on both sides, and add this and like this. Make it like this, so when you flick it, it will stop. When you do it, it will continue. Make it off. Then get it up to your. Get it like this and to your redstone creation. And then you're all done. Just fix this lever to make it on. No, it isn't done yet. Put as many flint steel as you need. Then you will be done with this contraption. Make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe. See you in the second video.